If you're working on plumbing, irrigation, or DIY projects that involve PVC pipes, having the right cutter is essential for making clean, precise cuts. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, using the best PVC cutter will save you time and effort. Today, we'll explore the top 7 PVC cutters for 2024. From budget-friendly options to high-performance models, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Number 1. Libraton 2:1/2 Ratchet Cutter. The Libraton 2:1/2 Ratchet Cutter is a standout choice for those who need a reliable and efficient tool for cutting PVC pipes. With a cutting capacity of up to 2:1/2 inches, this cutter is suitable for most standard PVC pipes used in plumbing and construction. One of the key features of this tool is its ratchet mechanism, which allows for easy cutting through thick pipes with minimal effort. This makes it especially useful for people working with larger or tougher pipes. The cutter is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Its blade is constructed from premium SK5 steel, which provides excellent sharpness and edge retention. This means you can expect clean, precise cuts every time, without worrying about the blade becoming dull too quickly. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and ease of use, helping you maintain a steady grip even during extended use. With a lightweight yet sturdy design, the Libraton cutter is both portable and durable. The ratchet mechanism works smoothly, providing extra leverage to make the cutting process easier and more efficient. If you're looking for a reliable PVC cutter that balances performance with comfort, the Libraton 2:1/2 Ratchet Cutter is an excellent choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. DOMINOX 2:1/2 SK5 Cutter. Next up is the DOMINOX 2:1/2 SK5 Cutter, a robust tool designed for those who need precision and efficiency in cutting PVC pipes. With a cutting capacity of 2:1/2 inches, this cutter is ideal for medium to large plumbing tasks. Its premium SK5 steel blade provides exceptional sharpness and edge retention, ensuring that you can make clean cuts with minimal effort, even with thicker pipes. The DOMINOX cutter features a ratcheting mechanism, which allows you to apply more force with less effort. This is especially beneficial when working with tougher materials or larger diameter pipes. The ratchet system provides controlled, consistent cuts, making it a great tool for both professionals and DIYers alike. The handle is ergonomically designed, offering comfort and reducing hand fatigue, which is crucial when working on large projects that require frequent cutting. Durability is a key strength of the DOMINOX 2:1/2 SK5 Cutter. The combination of high-quality steel and a reinforced, non-slip handle ensures that this tool will last for years, even under heavy use. Whether you're cutting PVC, CPVC, or other plastic pipes, this cutter provides reliability, efficiency, and excellent cutting power. Number 3. DEWILL 1:5/8 Fast Cutter. The DEWILL 1:5/8 Fast Cutter is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact, fast, and efficient PVC cutter. With a cutting capacity of 1:5/8 inches, this tool is perfect for smaller plumbing or DIY projects where precision and speed are key. Its quick-action mechanism allows you to slice through pipes in just a few seconds, making it ideal for jobs that require frequent cutting. The cutter features a sharp, durable stainless steel blade that ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. Whether you're working with PVC, PEX, or PE pipes, the DEWILL cutter handles them all with ease. The design is lightweight, making it easy to use for extended periods without causing hand strain. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, and the spring-assisted mechanism ensures that you don't have to apply much pressure when cutting through pipes. The DEWILL 1:5/8 Fast Cutter is built for durability. Its high-quality construction and materials ensure that it will perform well for years, even under regular use. If you need a fast, reliable cutter for smaller PVC pipes, this tool is a great addition to your toolkit. Number 4. Bates 1:1/4 PVC Cutter. The Bates 1:1/4 PVC Cutter is a small but powerful tool designed for precision cutting of PVC pipes up to 1:1/4 inches in diameter. Ideal for tight spaces and smaller projects, This cutter is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or professionals working on residential plumbing tasks. Despite its compact size, the Bates cutter is built to provide clean, precise cuts without crushing or damaging the pipe. Made from high-quality carbon steel, the blade of the Bates PVC Cutter ensures that each cut is sharp and clean. The design is simple but effective, with an ergonomic handle that reduces hand strain and provides maximum comfort during use. The spring-loaded mechanism helps make quick cuts with minimal effort, which is especially useful when working with multiple pipes in a short period. Durability is a key feature of this cutter. The tough, corrosion-resistant materials ensure that it will stand up to repeated use. Whether you're cutting PVC, CPVC, or PEX pipes, the Bates 1:1/4 PVC Cutter provides a reliable, long-lasting solution for all your cutting needs. Number 5. YUQGAOP Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter Tool. For those who need a more powerful and efficient cutter for heavy-duty projects, the YUQGAOP Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter Tool is an excellent choice. With a cutting capacity of up to 2 inches, this tool is designed to handle both small and larger pipes with ease. The ratcheting mechanism allows you to apply more force with each cut, making it ideal for tough materials and thick-walled pipes. The YUQGAOP cutter features an ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip, ensuring comfort and control during use. The blade is made from premium SK5 steel, which is known for its sharpness and long-lasting durability. The cutter also comes with a safety latch that keeps the blade securely closed when not in use, preventing accidents and injuries. What sets the YUQGAOP tool apart is its high-quality construction. This cutter is built to withstand the demands of both professional and DIY projects, and it is highly effective at producing clean, precise cuts on PVC, PEX, and other plastic pipes. If you're looking for a ratcheting PVC pipe cutter that offers power, reliability, and ease of use, the YUQGAOP Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter Tool is a top contender. Number 6. Shell 2:1/2 Aluminum Cutter. The Shell 2:1/2 Aluminum Cutter is a high-performance PVC cutter designed for professionals who need a tool that combines strength, precision, and portability. With a cutting capacity of up to 2:1/2 inches, this cutter is suitable for a variety of plumbing applications, from residential to commercial projects. Its aluminum body makes it lightweight yet incredibly durable, providing an excellent balance between strength and ease of use. The blade of the Shell cutter is made from high-carbon steel, offering superior sharpness and edge retention. This allows you to make quick, clean cuts through PC, CPVC, PEX, and other plastic pipes. The ratcheting mechanism provides additional leverage, making it easier to cut through thicker pipes without exerting excessive force. The ergonomic handles are designed to reduce hand strain, making the tool comfortable to use for extended periods. The Shell 2:1/2 aluminum cutter is built for long-lasting durability. Its corrosion-resistant aluminum body ensures that the cutter will remain functional and effective even after prolonged use. If you need a reliable, high-quality cutter for heavy-duty projects, the Shell aluminum cutter is an excellent choice. Number 7. AIRAJ3 Heavy Duty Cutter. Last on our list is the AIRAJ3 Heavy Duty Cutter, which is built for those who need a robust, high-performance tool for cutting large PVC pipes. With a cutting capacity of up to 3 inches, this cutter is perfect for commercial-grade plumbing, irrigation systems, and larger DIY projects. Its heavy-duty construction ensures that it can handle the toughest materials without compromising on performance. The AIRAJ cutter features a sharp, high-strength steel blade that makes clean cuts through thick pipes, reducing the risk of cracks or uneven cuts. The ratchet mechanism allows you to apply more force with each pass, ensuring smooth and precise cuts, even with larger diameter pipes. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and leverage, ensuring that you can work efficiently without hand fatigue. Durability is a key feature of the AIRAJ3 heavy-duty cutter. The tool is designed to withstand heavy use, and its tough construction ensures it will last for years. If you need a cutter that can handle large PVC pipes with ease, the AIRAJ3 heavy-duty cutter is a top choice. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 PVC cutters for plastic pipes in 2024. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, having the right cutter can make all the difference when it comes to making clean, precise cuts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and tips. Happy cutting!